Hey, fellow gun lovers, SHOT Show 2026 is dropping bombshells with fresh iron that's got us all buzzing. Imagine walking the floor, hands on the latest beasts that blend old school grit with cutting edge tweaks, faster triggers, lighter frames, and recoil that barely whispers. These aren't just toys. They're tools for the range, the hunt, or that just in case drawer. Stick around as I break them down with specs, prices, and why they're worth your ammo budget. If you're hyped, smash that like button and subscribe Survival Gear Showcase. Let's dive in. Kimber DS Warrior 1911. All right, picture this. You're holding a 1911 that's beefed up like John Wayne on steroids, but slimmer in the wallet. The DS Warrior's Kimber's new double stack take on the classic, ditching the pricey vibes of their 2011 for something more approachable. We're talking a single-action semi-auto with a 5-inch bushing barrel or 6-inch for the 10mm beast. Optics ready for your favorite red dot. And that crisp match grade, trigger breaking at around 4 to 5 pounds. Calibers? Pick your poison. 9mm, 45 ACP, 10mm, or 38 Super. Capacities hit high notes. 17 plus 1 flush, 20 plus 1 extended for 9mm and 38 Super, 11 plus 1 and 13 plus 1 for 45, 15 plus 1 and 18, plus 1 for 10mm. Weighs in at 33 ounces, empty with carbon fiber grips that feel like they hug back. Compared to the old Warrior, this one's got modern internals like an internal extractor and tag cover plate for better reliability, no more external fuss. And that Kim Pro Black finish, tough as nails against sweat and grime. Street price starts at $1,000 for the 9mm, climbing to $1,350 for the long slide 10mm. If you're chasing that 1911 soul with extra rounds, this one's your new carry king. Canik Prime Radian. Man, if recoil was a bully, the Canik Prime Radian just gave it a wedgie. This micro-compact 9mm is built on the Media MC 9 Prime platform, but juiced with Radian goodies like the ramjet barrel and afterburner comp that tame muzzle flip like a pro wrestler, pinning a lightweight. We're looking at a 3.64-inch compensated barrel, optics ready slide with night vision tritium sights, and a flat shooting design that's perfect for EDC without printing like a bad tattoo. Holds 17 plus 1 rounds in a flush mag, weighs about 20 ounces unloaded, and that Radiant backstrap plus magwell gives you a grip like glue. Trigger. Crisp single action, pull around 4 pounds after the double action start versus the standard prime. This collab adds 30% better recoil control thanks to those Radiant parts, making follow-ups quicker than a bad joke. No more fighting the gun. It fights for you. Available in black or two-tone, with or without optics like the Mechanic M04 red dot. MAP hits $850, MSRP up to $900 for the loaded version. If low recoil and concealability are your jam, snag one before they're gone. Smith & Wesson Nightguard. Whoa, talk about a comeback kid. The Smith & Wesson Nightguard is back, and it's meaner than a junkyard dog on a short leash. This Lipsy's exclusive revolver channels the 2008 originals, both upgrades that make it a true fighter. L-frame scandium alloy keeps it feather-light, 24 ounces for the 7-shot 357 Magnum, 23 ounces for the 5-shot 44 Special. 3-inch barrel longer than the old 2.5-inch, adjustable rear sight for dialing in your zero, an XS tritium front for low light glow. Chamfered charge holes and beveled cylinders mean reloads are slick as oil, no snags. Trigger? Smooth double action around 10 to 12 pounds, single action crisp at 4 pounds. Compared to the vintage Nightguards, this one's got better durability with refined internals, no more MIM parts drama, and that scandium frame shrugs off Magnum abuse without the weight penalty of steel. Ships with VZ grips that stick like Velcro. Price? Mid $1,400 range. Worth it for a wheel gun that's hoods to woods ready. If revolvers are your vibe for backup or woods carry, this one's a no-brainer. CZ75 Legend. Hold up, time machine alert. The CZ75 Legend is straight out of the 70s, revived like a classic rock band on tour. This all-steel double action / single action 9mm is a faithful nod to the pre-B originals. No fancy optics cuts or polymer fluff. 4.6-inch barrel. Fixed luminescent sights, and that legendary ergo grip that fits like it was molded for your hand. Holds 16 plus 1 rounds, weighs 35 ounces for that planted feel. Trigger pulls. Double action, 11.9 pounds. Single action, 4.7 pounds, with a short reset that's buttery smooth. Versus modern CZs, it's purest heaven, no firing pin block. Just raw mechanical goodness for better trigger feel and reliability. Black polycoat finish fights rust, and the walnut grips add that vintage swagger. Price $1,400 MSRP, a premium for the collector vibe, but way cheaper than hunting down an original pre-B. If you crave the Cold War charm with modern build quality, this Legend will make your range days epic. FN Scar Next Gen. Okay, if the original Scar was a battle-hardened vet, the Next Gen is that same guy after hitting the gym and getting a tech upgrade. Leaner, meaner, and ready to rumble without hiking the price tag. FN's dropping this Next Gen lineup with models like the 16S in 5.56 NATO, 17S in 7.62 NATO or 6.5 Creedmoor, and the Precision Focus 20S in the same big boy calibers. Key tweaks? A hydraulic buffered two-piece bolt carrier that soaks up recoil like a sponge. Cutting felt kicked by a noticeable chunk. Think smoother than your ex's excuses. Extended receiver with MLOK slots everywhere for easy add-ons, full ambi controls, AR-compatible grips, and a refined gas system that's suppressor-friendly out the gate. Barrel lengths hover at 16.25 inches for the 16S and 17S 20 inches on the 20S. Weights from 8.7 to 9 pounds unloaded. Trigger? Single stage on carbines, two stage on the 20S for that crisp pull around 4 to 5 pounds. Compared to the Legacy S car, this one's got over 24 upgrades, like better reliability to 16,000 rounds without major fails, lower recoil, and no more Belgium import premiums since it's United States made. But the real kicker? Prices stay put. $3,800 for the 16S, $4,000 for the 17S, $4,500 for the 20S. If you're chasing that modular rifle life for defense or long-range plinking, this rebirth nails it. Beretta ADX Cheetah 32 ACP by Langdon Tactical. Picture this. The Beretta Cheetah, that sleek Italian cat from yesteryear, now claws back in 32 ACP form, tuned by Langdon Tactical like a Ferrari mechanic on espresso. This double-action / single-action micro-compact is all about easy shooting recoil, so mild it's like firing up a light suggestion instead of a thunderclap. Frames aluminum for a light 25 ounces empty. With a 3.9-inch barrel threaded 1/2 by 28 on black models, Enox non-threaded on bronze. Holds 12+1 rounds, Vertec grips that hug small hands, and an Extreme S trigger with skeletonized hammer pulling double action at 10 to 12 pounds, single at 4 to 5. Optics ready slide, takes direct mills for Holosun EPS carry, plus 3-dot white sights for backup, pick rail up front for lights or lasers. Versus the standard 380 Cheetah, the 32 swaps punch for buttery control, better penetration density, but way less snap, perfect for newbies, arthritic grips, or suppressor fans without the booster hassle. Langdon Tactical adds goodies like trigger jobs, carry bevels to Nick Slide Bite, and Cerakote options. Available in black or PVD bronze. Pricing? Starts at $755 MAP for base, up to $1,375 for fully loaded with optic cut and bevels. If low effort everyday carry with classic vibes is your game, this Cheetah purrs. Palmetto State Armory AXR SSP. Man, if the PSA Jackal was your reliable pickup truck, the AXR SSP is that same rig with a turbo and weight loss program, faster, lighter, and built for the long haul. This short-stroke piston rifle SSP stands for that evolves the Jackal into 2.0. Territory, chambered in 300 blackout for the pistol config, with a 6.75-inch cold hammer forged, chrome-line barrel 1 to 5 twist, or 5.56 NATO in the 14.5-inch rifle setup. Weighs just over 6 pounds, overall folded length 18 inches, super packable. Adjustable gas block, 2 to 3 positions tunes for suppressed or unsuppressed, with an E4 bolt featuring enhanced lugs and dual ejectors for rock-solid reliability. Bufferless design keeps it simple, no springs to fuss with. Folding brace or stock, M-Lock K handguard for your toys. Trigger? Mil spec but crisp enough for quick doubles. Compared to the original Jackal, the AXR trims front end heft thanks to the short stroke system, ditching the long stroke weight for snappier handling and less gas to the face. It's modular too. Swap uppers? Share parts with PSA's ecosystem. No exact price yet, but PSA is teasing it in line with Jackal affordability. Likely $800 to $1,200 range based on similar builds. If you want a suppressor-ready truck gun without breaking the bank, this SSP hauls. Flux Raider 365 Ultralight. Alright, imagine turning your SIGP 365 into a pocket rocket PDW that's lighter than your excuses for missing the gym. The Flux Raider 365 Ultralight does just that, and it's a game changer for concealable firepower. This polymer chassis drops your P365 FCU into a brace setup, collapsing to 9.75 by 4 by 1.375 inches for bag or inside the waistband carry, extending to 18.5 inches with a 13.5-inch length of pull. Weighs a featherlight 8.7 ounces, 85% lighter than an MP5K, yet packs double the rounds with optional extensions up to 50 on gun. Push-button deploy brace locks, solid, removable shroud included, and it holsters up with the adjustable Gen 2 rig for inside the waistband / outside the waistband or off body. Compatible with 6-inch barrels for extra velocity, patented speed load system for lightning reloads. No fancy trigger, just your P365 stock pull, but the brace makes it rifle accurate out to 100 yards. Versus the aluminum Raider 365 $649, this poly version shaves ounces and $150, trading a bit of durability for ultimate portability without skimping on control or velocity. Available in black or flat dark earth. Price? $500, including holster. If you're all about that micro personal defense weapon life for defense or fun, this ultralight sneaks in and dominates. Henry SPD Predator. Okay, lever action fans, if you thought cowboys couldn't go precision, meet the Henry SPD Predator. It's like your grandpa's deer gun got a PhD in ballistics. This 223 Remington 5.56 NATO lever is built for varmint whacking. Lever is built for varmint whacking with an 18-inch free-floated carbon fiber wrapped 416R stainless barrel one to 8 twist that cools fast and stays rigid for tack driving groups. Capacity: 10 rounds via AR compatible mags. Weighs a nimble 6.21 pounds. Stretches 38 inches overall with a gray laminate stock featuring an adjustable cheek piece for perfect eye relief. Ships with a Harris SLM bipod drilled for optics on a Picatinny rail, and that match grade adjustable trigger breaks clean at 3 to 4 pounds. Tang safety keeps it simple. Here's the bold claim. Henry guarantees sub-minute of angle with 3 shots, the first for a lever gun, thanks to that carbon barrel and refined action. Versus classic Henry levers like the big boy, this one's worlds apart, lighter, more accurate, suppressor-ready threads, and modular for modern hunts. No more good enough groups. This Predator hits mile shots in testing. Price? $2,510 MSRP? If coyotes or prairie dogs are your nemesis, this blends nostalgia with NASA tech for epic takedowns. Beretta AX800 Suprema. Man, if waterfowl hunting feels like a beatdown, the Beretta AX800 Suprema is your Italian-engineered lifeline. Tough as nails, but smooth as silk. Silk. This 12-gauge semi-auto rocks the B-Link Pro Gas system, cycling 36% faster and 46% cleaner than old Berettas, handling everything from 2 to 3/4, target loads to 3.5-inch magnums without a hiccup. Stellium Pro barrel 26 to 32 inches with a massive 17.7-inch forcing cone tightens patterns like a vise, boosting downrange punch. Kickoff Pro stock slashes recoil by up to 70%, with adjustable length of pull, comb, cast, and drop for a custom fit. Polymer receiver shrugs off corrosion, oversized controls bolt handle, release, trigger guard work with gloves or mud, and it's optics ready with a pick rail. Weighs 7.6 to 7.8 pounds, overall length 47 to 51 inches depending on barrel. 5 Optima HP chokes included. Compared to the A400 Extreme Plus, this Suprema's gas system is elite, faster reloads, less fouling, and that Olympic-proven barrel from the DT 1133 podium strong for consistent kills. No more gunfights in the blind. Available in black, camo patterns. Price? $2,500 to $2,600. If ducks or geese are your quarry, this Suprema turns tough days into limits. Beretta 300 Ultima Patrol. All right, home defenders. If the 12-gauge, a 300. Ultima Patrol felt like a tank, the new 20-gauge version is that same beast on a diet, 25% lighter for quicker swings without losing the punch. Gas-operated semi-auto with a 19.1-inch barrel, 3-inch chamber, and 7+1 capacity via extended tube. Weighs just 6 pounds empty versus 8 pounds on the 12-gauge, overall 38 inches, with aggressive grip texturing, M-lobe slots for lights / lasers, and a Picatinny rail for optics. Oversized bolt handle / release, enhanced loading port, and reversible safety make it glove-friendly. Fixed ghost ring sight standard. Lower recoil than the big brother, but still cycles reliably from birdshot to slugs. Compared to the original 12-gauge, Ultima Patrol, this 20-gauge trims 2 pounds for better control, faster handling for women, youth, or anyone dodging fatigue. while keeping the proven A300 platform's uptime minimal cleaning needed. Updated stock with QD points and adjustable length of pull seals the deal. Available in black, gray, or tiger stripe. Price? $1,300. If you want a tactical shotgun that's nimble for home or truck duty, this lighter Ultima Patrol delivers without compromise. Ooh, that's a wrap on the hottest drops from SHOT Show 2026. Guns that push boundaries without breaking your back or bank. From belt-fed uppers to sub-MOA levers and recoil taming shotguns. These beasts prove innovation's alive and kicking. Which one's calling your name? Drop your thoughts below. And if this got your trigger finger itching, hit that like and subscribe to Survival Gear Showcase for more straight talk reviews and gear breakdowns. Stay safe out there, folks. See you on the range.